Okay, everybody, hello. It's Corey Breed with Vent Cap Systems and inventor of the Duct Ninja as well. Here with the unboxing of the Duct Ninja version July 2026. What you're going to get is a nice, big, beautiful, brown box like this. Open it up. And inside, pretty simple. You're going to have your support beam going through your pole mount, which is attached to the flange, which says ductninja.com, US patents pending, handmade in Austin, Texas. That's where we are in my kitchen. Here's the flange, here's the sheet. This is the Ninja Skin. I don't know if you can tell, I'm super strong and I'm unable to even stretch it. You can't put your finger through it. This stuff is tough. It is more than you're gonna need. Two, you're gonna pull out your frame, and of course I ordered the box that's just a skosh too small. So you're gonna do one installation piece right here. You're gonna add the one piece that's not attached. Put it right in here, and like so. Friction hold, then next thing you know, the frame opens up. All four sides are put together.
Can you show that one more time?
You're gonna push it in like that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. One attached piece, also friction hold. And there you go. You're gonna be able to wrap a little bungee or something around here to keep it together. And then to assemble it, you're gonna just stretch it out and push it in there. But some people, Larry, wanted to keep it all together at one time, so I made another little part, which I'm gonna include as well, but it's very simple. You got two little screws. You're gonna put these two pieces through here and tighten them down on both sides, and it'll leave it attached permanently so that you don't have to go through all that trouble that Larry doesn't want to do. Then you're gonna take your flange and sheet and support beam with the little slides that are on the end here. You're gonna set them inside the frame, and they are gonna slide out and into. Your frame pieces are gonna have the inside open. So you try and get that into the middle, and okay, maybe just something to having it permanently attached. Okay, Larry. And then you are going to simply attach pole. We sell our own poles. They're 3 feet to 12 feet ish. I think it's 39 to 12 feet. And then you're going to want to have the Ninja Skin draped over the edge. And the reason you do this is because these are made for depressurized testing. You're going to hold this thing up to the frame or up to the return air grill, and it's just going to suck. Depressurized testing, and this sheet is going to get drawn up into and seal the whole thing, sort of like you're suffocating in the movies with the plastic bag over you. Raise it up and put it over, and you're going to set it and leave it. The pole goes all the way to the ground, 3 to 12 feet. If you need to sit it on a chair or something like that to get your extra 2 feet, that's what's going to happen. Depressurize after you're done. Next thing you know, that sheet is going to suck right up in there, and it's going to be tighter than tape, and it's going to happen so fast you're not going to believe it. You don't want to have that attached to the sides. You don't want to tighten it. You don't want it to be taut, because you want it to be able to be drawn up into there very easily. And that's it. Of course, the other supplies are sealed with vent caps so that you don't have any tape waste or pull the paint or wallpaper off of anything. And then you're going to pull this guy down.
Oh, banging your feet.
Your feet fine. And then if you're Larry, you're just going to leave it like this. If you're not, you're going to take it apart and fold it up and put it wherever you want to keep it. But the flange and the sheet will be attached to your flex duct and can stay in the duct blaster bag with the rest of the equipment. Or you can take it apart if you like. can all go back in the box. But leave it attached. Leave that attached to your duct blaster. Put that in the bag with it. This, on the back of the pole mount, has a little screw. You can move this around left and right. You can pull it all the way out if you want, but you want to leave it in the middle. And then when you attach it in here, the bar should be in the middle of these 30-inch sides. Now I just heard back from my buddy Brett, who says that there are some bigger ones that he might want to consider. We can change the size of this frame and even the sheet some, but the physics of the whole thing don't change. It's just going to be sucked up right in there. We're still tweaking at this point in time. If you buy one now, we're going to include any updated parts that come through there. Help us make this thing be everything that it can be. Until you try it, you're not going to believe just how easy and quick it is. And this stuff, I mean, I can't tell you. The Ninja Skin is what we're calling it. And you can't poke through it with a pin. You're not going to get through it. This, once again, just like vent caps, I'm 6'6", 230 pounds. I can stand on the damn thing. They last longer than they should. Mistake number 2. And this is going to be another one of those things that lasts way too long. You're only going to have to buy one from me. If you have any questions, please let me know. Find out more information on ductninja.com. Thanks.